name is Sarah Ayler, and I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager for SoftFlexCompany.com. Earlier this week on Facebook Live, I showed the viewers how to make a mask lanyard that could then be interchanged into a necklace. I used our new Silver Silk kit that we just put on the website. It is a copper craft wire that has been knitted over a silver ball chain. The kit comes with 3 feet of this pre-knitted wire, and then it has some custom findings from Silver Silk that you can just easily close over the top of the Silver Silk wire, just with a pair of chain nose pliers or nylon jaw pliers, and then attach to a jump ring and a lobster clasp. The kit comes with 2 jump rings and 1 lobster clasp. It's a 15 millimeter lobster clasp. You do need to buy a second lobster clasp. We put the kit together with the idea of making a necklace, but then I used it for this fun little mask lanyard that I'm going to show you here. And so you have to get the extra lobster clasp for it to work. I'm using some really beautiful masks that I recently got from one of my great friends that I work with at SoftFlex. She's a painter, and she painted this painting and then uploaded it, I think, to a website called Society6. We'll put a link down below if you would like to take a look at these. But this is her painting that was then transferred onto fabric. And you can see it's a cotton fabric, and then it has a space in there for a filter as well. And she has a bunch of different styles. I bought 2 of her styles. The lotus flower is really pretty. And then this beautiful garden one is also gorgeous. So it's really easy to attach this to the mask. You're just going to attach on and click it closed. And then you can attach on the second side as well. And it's super handy when you wear it, because just like an eyeglass holder, it can just kind of stay around your neck and fall to the side of the mask. And then when you need to take your mask down, it can just hang there on your chest without having it be kind of up in your neck and your face when you don't have to wear it. So it's a really handy way for you to hold on to your mask if you're using this kind that goes around your ears. And this is a very elegant version, but you could do a child-friendly version as well for any kids that are going back to school or need to go places like the grocery store or daycare, who are required, where they're required to wear a mask as well, but maybe taking it on and off. You could make a version for them as well as anybody who goes to the office, the grocery store, the post office. Any of those places require masks for the most part. So, and then when you want to take it off again, you just unclick these little lobster clasps and slide that elastic back out, and you can actually mix and match and attach it to a different mask. Or on Facebook, I also made this beaded section, and you can attach to either end of the beading. So you can actually make it into a necklace as well, which is handy because we hopefully will not be just wearing masks into perpetuity. Hopefully at some point we will be over the mask phase and we'll be able to go back to wearing some beautiful, beautiful jewelry. The beads that I used in this design are from a new bead mix that we just launched this week as well. It is our Spice Market check glass bead mix. It's a huge bead mix that matches our latest kit design, which we still have a few of those too, Spice Market design kit. It's got some beautiful greens, browns. Let me pick up a handful and bring them up closer for you to see some of these gorgeous jet glass beads. There's some 2-hole beads. There's some larger hole beads. There's some beautiful petals. Lots and lots of different colors and shapes. Some are faceted, some are matte. a really nice mix for fall. And I picked out some beading wire that goes with it pretty well too. Let me see. Oh, and after making that lanyard, I still had another foot of the silver silk left from my kit. So it's a pretty nice 3-foot length in the kit if you end up getting it from us at softluxcompany.com. So some of the colors that I think go really well with the Spice Market bead mix are the champagne, garnet, red jasper, citrine, copper, bronze, which is on closeout, so it's discounted on the website. Antique brass, chrysoprase, and peridot. Did you know we have so many colors in Softluxe? We've got like 26 different colors when you factor in the gold, the silver, and the champagne. So lots of different options that you can work with this particular bead mix. So today I'm going to show you one other style of lanyard that I haven't shown yet. I saw this style from a customer on our VIB group, and she was so sweet to say that I could share it with you. So I did it in 2 different colorways. I used the Spice Market bead mix. So it's not just this mix. These are all in the same mix. This whole strand and then the front of this necklace too, all came from the Spice Market bead mix. So there's quite a few beads in that one mix. So I strung up my beads, and then I'm going to attach this little hook here at the bottom that you can then attach into both of your, or even just one if you wanted to. You could do just one. But either way, it'll kind of hold onto your mask in the same sort of fashion as the 2 lobster clasp approach that I showed you before. So here's the blue version this is our classic blue Pantone check glass bead mix, which you can also find on our website. So I just attach it in the front with a 2x2 millimeter crimp tube and then a 3 millimeter crimp cover. So let me show you how that works on this Spice Market design. I already strung all my beads and I just did like a, pattern, so it was symmetrical on both sides, but you could really even just do random beads and it would probably look really beautiful since all of the colors work together so well. I strung my 2x2 millimeter crimp tube on here. This is a Softluxe crimp tube, so it's double the wall thickness of most, and it's very strong, seamless, and great for something like this that may get a lot of wear and tear. Now, you could use 024 Softluxe and a 2x3 millimeter crimp tube if you wanted something that would be extremely durable. If you're really rough, or the people that you're selling to are really rough on their jewelry or gifting to, you may want to go with a thicker wire and a bigger crimp tube, a longer crimp tube, so that you've got just a little bit more strength in the design. A lanyard holds onto something and that something gets tugged on, so you do have to kind of give that some consideration, that it could be a difficult design to not have break, So I'm just going to kind of tug my beads and wire here up together. And sometimes that takes just a tiny bit of fidgeting to get it just right. You want to leave enough flexibility in your design that it's going to sit very comfortably on your body. But you do want to pull it up, fairly tight so that it's connecting nicely. And if there's a little bit of space between the crimp and the bead, that's totally okay. Don't sweat it. And also you want to leave a little bit of space that this has wiggle room too when it's when all is said and done. I'm going to take my regular crimping pliers. There's 2 holes. The one in the front is the rounder, and then the one in the back side is the crimper with a little tooth. I'm going to take the one with the little tooth first, come inside my crimp tube, and crimp a little divot into my crimp tube. And I'm going to turn it on its side in the rounder, so that very top one that was totally round, and I'm going to round it in. So I'm basically folding the crimp tube in onto the nylon coating of the wire, getting a nice, strong, stable hold. And then I'm going to come in with my cutters and trim. So this is just one way that we can make this mask wearing a little bit more fun. It's a nice way to make us just feel a little more comfortable with where our mask is, when we can take it on and off. If you're going on a walk, for example, outside, you may not wear it the entire time. But if you're going to come up on somebody on a sidewalk, then you may want to pull your mask up. And this is just like a really nice way to kind of hold on to it and give you that ability to take it off and put it on as needed. I'm going to add a little crimp cover here. So I'm going to use the rounder of my crimping plier. This is always so tricky to do on camera because you want to be really careful with the crimp cover that you're getting it to close up around your crimp. And then I always like to kind of just tuck and then come in from the other side and tuck again so that it doesn't slip or slide off of that crimp tube. And then I'm attached, and I can go ahead and open this up and attach it to my mask. And that'll give me a way to kind of hold on to it anytime I'm not wearing it. And this actually matches this one just so nicely. So if you're looking for some beads to match your mask, you can get your mask from Society 6 in Kristen Fagan's shop. And then you can get this bead, the Spice Market Bead Mix from Softflex Company, and make your own. If you like the blues, again, that was the classic blue Pantone bead mix, which we have more of. We have the Silver Silk Kit, which you can find now on the website as well, softflexcompany.com. And yeah, so this is just a really nice way to kind of bejewel our mask wearing situation. And then eventually, when we don't need to wear masks anymore, you can use it to hang keys. Or if you do have one of those key cards, that's a really nice way to use a lanyard as well. Nurses, teachers often use lanyards. This would be a great back to school gift, actually, for a teacher. Speaking of, if you've got kids that are in an elementary school, junior high, or high school, maybe this is a good way to, reward the teachers that have been working so hard to get kids back into school, or even teaching virtually. Give them a little bit of a gift for a way to hold their mask and wear it comfortably. In fact, I think I might do that with Evelyn's teacher when we see her next week. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please click the like button, subscribe to Softflex Company here on YouTube, and then go check us out on our website, softflexcompany.com. You can get a free bead mix this week of the Spice Market bead mix with orders over $49. And you also get free shipping in the US all the time on orders over $50. So we'll see you there. Bye guys.